If you are confused like what is make.com modules, trigger, action, after watching this video you will understand like what is modules and when to use the actions. So let's start it. What is module? A module is a single step of your automation. Here you can see this is our scenario. I have like one module this ones and last module this ones. So these modules combine each others and make a whole automation. Like this is a single step. You can see here our first module is like webhook and the second module is HTTP. The third one is iterator. It means every individual module perform its functions individually. So you can add as many as module in your scenario and connect them and make a whole automation. Here I am showing you. Just click on this option and you can see here this is showing like add a module here. Just click on this and here you can see it is showing like search all apps or modules. Here you can see there is a many apps. When you click one of them it will become a module in your scenario. They connect each other and make a whole scenario and make a whole automation. Keep in mind every module perform its individual functions. There are two types of modules. The first one is trigger and the second one is actions. Let's start with trigger. What is trigger? Basically, trigger is a module which start our automation. Here you can see our scenario. Like here I am showing you this one. Our watch module, you can see here this is the clock running and this is the trigger. This is the identification of trigger. It start the automation. I use a trigger like whenever my email is came, then our automation will further proceed. I setting up our trigger here like a filter type, folder type here, label as well, and criteria I use only on read message, and here limit I select a 5 and save it. So trigger actually watching for something. When something happen it start the automations. After that our action will be proceed further. Every scenario, every automation have only one trigger and it is the first module of your scenario. And how to identification a trigger in your scenario, just click on this plus button. I will show you like how to identify a trigger in your module. I am using a Gmail module again here. Just click on this one and here you can see this is showing like a blue option, like it is called acid, and you cannot see another blue option in front of any further here. Like whenever you see a blue option like here, it means like this is the trigger. Now let's talk about actions. Now you understand about the what is trigger. Now every module after the trigger is known as a action. Here you can see I have many modules after the Gmail module. Like this one is for like add a row and this is router for splitting to a path. I have a 3 part. Like one for is update a row and second one I am using set variables to store our data here, and after that we are again using this one. So for understanding, every module after a trigger is known as actions, and every actions like every modules have a separate action and it will perform only a single function here. Like this one only perform add a row here and this one only perform a single function here like a set variables. If you have any confusion about the trigger, action and module in your make.com, please comment below here and please like and subscribe my channel as well.